Food Warming Equipment Company strives to exceed expectations at every stage of buying and ownership. We make it our mission to be the easiest manufacturing company to work with from pre-sale through years of service. We have an arsenal of solutions from over 65 years of listening to our customers and their concerns. We've taken what we've learned through these experiences and developed our best practices to provide continuous improvements on existing and new products. As a result, our products outlast and outperform the competition. Therefore, we are the first stop for customers that need products to solve their unique operational challenges. When clients need custom builds, they are always surprised to find out how quickly we draft custom drawings and provide a quote exceeding industry expectations. For example, this new business needed to provide its customers with speedy, safe service, allowing for easier curbside pickups. They needed a quick turnaround to meet their new business needs in response to COVID-19 guidelines. Our heated holding shelves provided them with a unit that could hold mobile and pick up orders hot and fresh until their customer arrived curbside to pick up their order in a low-touch, fast access format. We provided Tenfold Brewing Company in Nashville, Tennessee with a mobile order and pickup solution with customized heated holding shelves. We will continue to grow and learn from new and unique customer challenges to develop innovative solutions. Our worldwide team of professionals drive results through a collaborative environment, focusing on continuous improvement through education, integrity, and purposeful action. Our culture of trust, warmth, and belonging welcomes new ideas. We are able to quickly adapt while maintaining a clear focus on our customers' needs. With FWE, if you can dream it, we can build it.